In this video, I will show you how to fix a long stream delay on Kick. First, make sure you have a stable and fast internet connection. A slow or unstable upload speed can increase stream latency. Next, open your web browser and go to kick.com and sign into your account. Click on the profile icon, create. Then select Creator Dashboard. From there, go to your channel settings and verify that your stream URL and stream key are correct if you're setting up your streaming software. Now open OBS and go to Settings. Navigate to Advanced section and enable Low Latency mode if that's available. Also make sure stream delay is disabled or set to 0 seconds. If you have manually configured a stream delay in OBS, remove it so your stream is sent to Kick with lowest possible latency. Next, check your Kick stream settings and make sure any option to add stream delay is turned off. If you're still experiencing delay, lower your streaming bitrate or resolution to match your internet upload speed. You should also close any other background apps that are using your network and restart your streaming software before going live. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.